Hey, so what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and I thank you guys for tuning in today. So I wanted to give you guys a quick look and show you a way that you could actually make an investment into your kids' future. As we know, this is the Christmas season, and so everybody's starting to ask the question like, so what can I get the kids, or what should I, give you, and things like that, or whatever the case is. And so if you have kids, one of the things that I have been kind of talking and telling family is like, listen, my kids don't need no toys. Now, granted, we don't really do a lot of Christmas gift giving, but one thing we do is that if there's any gifts going to be given, it's going to be given to the kids, which is like my nieces and nephews, my kids, whatever, things like that. But we limit it. Now, one of the things I decided to do this year is I was like, well, I'd rather you invest into their future. So we actually have some accounts set up for them through Stockpile. Now, Stockpile is one of the places where I have some custodial accounts set up for them, where you can actually invest, and you can actually send out to others, and they can invest as much as $1 or $2 into their account. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So here we are, guys. We are right here with Stockpile. Now, if you don't know what Stockpile is, it's a brokerage account, and pretty much you're able to invest as little as, $1, and as well as whatever amount you want to. And they actually do have a fee, which when you make a purchase or you buy a stock or sell a stock, which is 99 cents. Now, that's not bad at all, and that's still just as good as free. So it's not really incurring much cost or anything like that. So this is one of the videos that I definitely recommend for beginners and even for your kids, because they definitely have neat features for that. So just a real quick rundown. If you're not familiar with them, they have been around for I think about maybe 2-3 years so far, but they've been pretty cool. And they actually have like gift cards and things like that you can actually purchase online, and you can actually redeem, and you can use that to gift somebody some stock and things like that. So they have a pretty cool platform that I think is definitely excellent for kids, and they are indeed growing and making improvements, just like many of the other new brokerage accounts that's out there. But if you want your kids to even get a chance to learn about investments and stocks and stuff like that, they actually have a feature to where they will actually allow you to create like a separate login. It's real easy, and once you set up your kid's account, like once you click on it, it'll say create a separate login for your kid, where they can actually sign in, and if they chose to, or there's something that they want to invest in, they actually could do that, simply by just requesting to invest this amount of money, and then you would have to approve it. So it's a good way at allowing them and showing them how that they can actually learn how to invest. So here we go. Right here, I'm actually already logged into my account. Now I have the parent account, which I don't have any investments in it. I don't use it for myself personally, but what it is so you can see here, you can share the fun of shareholding with a gift of stock. So you can give this to someone, or if you have a gift card, you can redeem it. And it gives you options right here: send an e-gift, print at home, send by mail. So let's say if you have nieces and nephews like I do, you can go ahead and pick some stocks and send that to them as a gift. And we actually did that for our nieces and nephews once before. And so you can do things like that. You can print out at home. Here are the options here. And so it's pretty cool, and I like it especially for youth. So here you can see just how there's more options for you to give that gift and etc. But to show you what we're talking about, how can you actually do this thing, with your kids, and how you can actually just, for Christmas, have the family to, invest into them. So it's simple. Once you set up an account, you set up all your information, things like that. Right here on the right, you can see where it says gift cards, redeem a gift, transfer cash, timeline, documents, settings, and bam, wish list. Now, if you want to send gift, that I was just on that page, you can do that. Gift cards, things like that. But here's where you would make that happen. That is the wish list right here. So here you can see it says pick stocks, right? So here it says Apple, Facebook. If I want to change that, I could delete the wish list here, or I can come here and I can say edit wish list. So then what that's going to allow you to do is going to allow you to pick whatever stock that you might want to, people invest in. So the most popular stock that a lot of people like to use is Disney. Now, the great thing about this tool, like I said, is great for kids, is they use imagery. So you see EA, right? So if you like to play FIBA Mobile, like I do, then, EA Sports right here, EA Arts. And so you can see that they use a lot of different things. So if you would come up here and you go to gaming, they're going to give you the name of different games and things like that. And at the bottom, you see that those are companies that are actually investing in, like PlayStation, Sony. And so these are things that we're familiar with from imagery. So if your kids, they love Pokemon, like, hey, would you guys want to invest in Pokemon? Sure. So you can add that to the wish list. You can come down here and you can take out, anything if you wanted to, but it's just that simple. So you could just go up here, scroll, and if you don't know the name of anything, but you can come up here, scroll, and bam, there you have kids. And so you'll see that there's all types of things for kids. You can scroll and see there's many options. So let's say your kids like Chuck E. Cheese, bam, there you go. And Disney, bam, you got Dave & Buster's, right? Dora Explorer, Viacom, like, so you see how simple that is. And then what you would do is you come down here, you hit done, and it's going to add it to your wish list. So now, Joseph's wish list. Hi, family and friends. I'm investing for my future through Stockpile, a brokerage that makes stock investing easy, affordable, and fun. Here's some stocks I love to own. Thanks for helping me get there, right? And you can edit that stuff too if you wanted to. And so then you come down to the bottom. You can share it on Facebook with your family and friends. You can tweet it. You can copy the link. So if you copy the link, it's successfully, you can actually take that and email that to family and friends, or text it to family and friends and say, this is what we like for our kids this year, or my son or my daughter this year, or myself this year. Do this for yourself. And so up here I actually had did one kind of pre-set it up, but let's just go ahead and recopy that so you can see exactly how it looks with all the things that I picked. So there you go. So this is what they would get, and they can put in any dollar amount they want, right, to help invest in your future, right? And I'm pretty sure they'll be charged a fee, which I think is like 99 cents. And it says, dear Joseph, I'd love to invest in your future. Here's some stocks. They can edit that too. They can put their name, and then they can come here and they can check out, right? So that's how those things would work for that. So that's fairly simple, So now it just gives you another way to actually be able to invest in your kid's future by creating a wish list. And I absolutely love it. I love it. Because then now the whole narrative changes so no matter what you want to do, if it's for a birthday or whatever, now you can actually do those things. And I love it. So I hope this little tutorial has been very helpful for you. And hey, go open up a Stockpile account. I'll provide a link in the description, and have fun, get your kids involved, and you guys can learn and grow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video if it's been helpful with someone else. Share this with a family member, with a cousin, whoever, someone that has kids, so that they can see how to do this for their kids as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go. Peace.